Welcome! I am the Spun-Lace Fabric from DuPont, and I'll be your guide during this presentation. DuPont's engineers have developed my product qualities to keep industrial and other operations running smoothly and safely. This is how I look when I come off the manufacturing line.
DuPont invented the unique hydro-entanglement process in 1965 to make textile-like spun-laced fabrics. Spun-lace manufacturing consists of raw material preparation, opening of fibers, and laydown. Hydro-entangling, drying, online quality control, wind-up and offline quality inspection.
I start off as fibers, packed in bales, delivered by suppliers that fulfill the high-quality standards required by DuPont.
First, the bale is unwrapped and placed on a conveyor belt to undergo different opening steps. The clumps of fibers are transported on a belt with teeth into a series of picker rolls where they are separated. The fibers are then weighed. Then they're transported into another series of openers where different types of fibers can be processed and blended to create a variety of product characteristics.
Look, these are my fibers as they arrive. See how voluminous and soft they are after the opening.
The fibers are transferred into large carding machines. These cards consist of rolls equipped with teeth, which further separate the fibers and lay them down on a belt to form a homogeneous fiber web. Now the wood pulp is laid on top of the polyester web. The combined layers are passed through a series of high-pressure water jets, which function like needles, pushing the pulp into the polyester layer, combining them to form an extremely resistant but soft non-woven sheet. The spun-laced fabric is now dried, first by the mechanical extraction of water, and second by drying with hot air. The basis weight and remaining humidity of the fabric are measured online. In addition, there is an automatic control of the visual quality. This information is directly provided to the line operators for action if necessary. The non-woven is now slit and wound into widths required by the customer. As soon as the roll reaches the maximum diameter, the wind-up station will automatically start a new roll.
Now it will be labeled and wrapped and can be shipped. The DuPont engineers will not release me until they have received data from all quality tests and are sure that I meet their stringent specifications.
At specified time intervals, fabric samples are taken for visual inspection over a light table to control whether smaller defects could have slipped through the online inspection. In addition, testing of different physical characteristics is part of routine quality procedures. The thickness test measures the fabric under a standard pressure. The tensile strength measures the resistance of the fabric to stretching until it breaks. The bursting strength test evaluates the resistance of the fabric to pressures on a limited area until the fabric bursts. The abrasion resistance test submits the fabric to circular rubbing and results are compared to a visual scale.
As all quality procedures are fulfilled, I can now be shipped or further converted to serve in limitless applications.
DuPont spun-laced fabrics are used for surface preparation in the automotive industry and for critical cleaning tasks in clean room environments. They are also used as absorbent wipes for a multitude of industrial and household cleaning tasks. The fabrics even make it to the sky as window cleaning wipes for aircraft. In the printing industry, they are the reference for automatic blanket cleaning and manual cleaning of equipment. For medical and healthcare, applications include bandages, dressings and other specialities. Treated with a fluid repellent, Dupont spunlace is made into surgical gowns and drapes. Dupont nonwovens are produced in high-tech manufacturing facilities where quality and safety are the key. There is a full range of fabrics from Dupont that are designed to meet diverse customer needs.
I am pleased to have been your guide to the Dupont spunlace manufacturing process and now say goodbye. If you have any further questions, my colleagues from the Dupont team will be able to help you.